welcome to Noah's YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making slime. What's inside the box? I guess this is a stick that we're going to use to stir it in the pool. This is like a ball and rear glue. Slime activator. We have some glitter, and we have some color drops, and we have a measuring spoon. First step, 4 tablespoons of clear glue. Step is to add the coloring drops. I'm choosing blue. Now mix it. Next, we will add 2 teaspoons of slime activator. Add it in. Finally, mix all your ingredients to make the slime. Oh, wow. Now there's a big part of the slime. What? Yeah. I think it's almost done. Now?
Okay, take it out with your hands now.
What? What? Check out my next video. I'm gonna make slime without the kit. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe. Anyways, if your name's Ryan, I say hi.